Good morning! So for today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Picture Book. So sila ang ating supplier sa ating studio. Yung dalawang studio natin, from Manila and from QC, sila yung nagpo-provide ng prints ng album natin sa cardboard. So for today, tayo naman yung magiging supplier nila. So magpo-provide tayo ng workshop para sa mga employees nila. Ayan o. Meron silang basic photography, social media posting, na ikakandak naman natin as workshop natin na i-offer sa kanila. So, parang natin sila partner company, kaya ngayon andito tayo para magbigay ng service sa kanila. So, ayun, samahan nyo kami guys, sama kayo, and let's go.
Good morning! Good morning! Yeah. Meron tayong snacks at lunch later. Okay. So, first you up guys. No? So, our resource speaker is Mr. Elvin Colliantes, also known as Mr. Vin Eco. Pangalan pa lang po, hindi na. So, tandaan nyo, 4 lang yung points na photographer, cinematographer, entrepreneur, and a PCCI instructor. Yan. Friends, let's all welcome our very creative resource speaker, Sir Elvin Colliantes.
Morning! Thank you so much po, Ma'am Cora, for that wonderful introduction. So, better photos? Bakit better photos? What is photography for you? Nagagamit natin yan as marketing na din. At the same time,
photos or pictures just like
baka may naka-analog pa. Pakita po yung kamay. Wala naman. That's why we are using rule of thirds. Is habang i-discuss po, check nyo siya dito sa
light and shadows, pause and real. Capture moments that we feel.
Camera
It's more than just a photograph.
Familiar po
It's
ba
every
sa inyo?
tear and every laugh. Behind
Sa
the
akin,
scenes,
kapag tinitignan ko kayo, ang leading lens ko, ano ba kayo iba? Bukod doon? Doon po pumapasok yung story. Diba? Meron na tayong light. Tama na yung proper lighting natin. For me, to be sure na mag-i-improve kayo, is kailangan nyo malaman kung paano nyo
every
i-correct
shot a story told. Moments turn to something gold. I do what
tricks
I
for a better
love.
photography using smartphone. I don't know.
Frame by frame, we find our way. Capturing life that's here to stay.
Question.
To every dream, I learn it
To your
slow.
smartphone. Okay,
I see
there's
a
a
fire
lot
start
of...
to glow.
Ko lang po
From simple shots to something
Sir,
more.
pihit na lang po kayo.
Find the strength you had before.
Very
It's not just
important po
photos
sana
that we
po
make.
yung...
It's hope and chances that we take. If I inspire even
Kasi
one,
yung mga tips
then I know
and
my
keys
job is done.
para makuha niyo yung engager,
We all can shine different stories.
pwede mo pa naman siyang i-post process. Meaning, kung yung limitahan yung
Leaves
sarili
a
niyo,
light inside your
yun yung pag settings na to, dyan sa
Through
cellphone
my
nyo,
lens,
move
I
around.
see
O
your
yan yung
light.
delete
Every
ng
smile
shutter.
shining bright. Every shot a story told. Moments turn to something
Tapos,
gold. I
nasa
do
focus
what I
siya,
love.
the
I share the vision.
Yun
Turning
yung
passion and
kahit
inspiration.
pabaliktad yan,
Frame by frame, we
isa na
find our
nag-upload sa
way.
page niya, tama?
Capturing life that's here to stay.
Nakuha yung susi. Tayo lang kami rito, sir. Palabas. Recording ka, Je? Ayan. Alright, so lunch break lang muna tayo. Tapos na yung first set natin, yung first batch. So, kakain na tayo sa Fisher Mall. By the way, kasama natin si Jerome, no? Baby, pindutin mo to. Pindutin mo to. Yan ang pagbalik. O, pindutin mo ulit. Yan. So, kain muna tayo. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Medyo, ma-relax na ngayon kasi lecture lang tayo. Usually, may hands-on tayo pag nasa PCI. Pero ngayon, since partner naman natin to, okay lang. Kain tayo. Ito ka na lang, Jet. Tabi na lang.
Ang nakita namin, yung mga kuha nila, may nakanganga. Tapos yun nga yung sinasabi ni Miss Cora.
Creatives yun, ma'am, ha? Yung nag-usapan natin, ha?
So, creation. Parang details.
Dapat,
kung
dapat.
i-upload.
Ano po, ladies?
Second batch na natin, guys. Afternoon session. Mas parang sila ngayon. So, mag-start na tayo ulit.
One. Hello. Vin Colliantes, also known as Vin Eco. Yes,
Yung dalawang studio from Timog tsaka Espanya. Against the light. Against the light. Number 1.
Alright. Express in seconds. These values indicate
Alright. Thank you, thank you, thank you. End na tayo. Recording. Paalam na tayo. Paalam na tayo. Ma'am, bye-bye.
Where you going?
Yes, ma'am. Umana pa ako. Thank you so much po, ma'am.
Sir, na-deposit ko sa mga kasi
Apo, may sineno sa akin sa
Yes,
mga
yes.
Thank you so much po.
Magkikita pa po tayo.
Sana, next
Yes po,
time.
yes po, Pado sa ating social media.
Apa.
We'll just get in touch through.
Nagkausap din kami ni Ma'am Kat eh.
Yes. So, ano yung namin yan, i-forward niya ako. Ano man.
Ano yan, ma'am? Uploaded niya sa YouTube channel.
Sige.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Ingat
Bye po. Thank you.
Ayan, pinakita mo yan.
Okay, let's go. Uwi na tayo, Je. Ayun, so tapos na yung shoot, tapos na yung workshop natin. Maaga pa rin tayo makakakuha. So yun lang, maraming salamat sa panonood. Keep on shooting and follow me for more. Peace.